Okay, so what are we making today? We're going to make this little arrangement here so as we can use a button like so. Okay, so these little tiny buttons that we've got here are simple little push buttons. This leg and this leg are connected together in there, and on the opposite side to that, if we spin him round, this leg and this leg are connected on there. Only when you press that button are these two legs ever connected. So the way I see it, if you connect a wire to this leg, you can also connect a wire to that leg and you'd have a straight through rail of the power would go straight through it. If you connect this leg and this leg, the only way you can get power from here to here is to press the button, thus demonstrated on here. We've got this wire going to this leg, this wire going to this leg, and it only operates when we press the button. Okay, let's build this little baby. So first of all, we need to put our button on the breadboard, spread over the rail. So that's been placed on there like that. So the buttons, so the side without any buttons attached spreads across the rail. Then we're going to need to connect that to the power rail. So we'll have our positive line will go in there like so. When we press the button, this rail will become the positive rail out, so we will, where the electric's going to flow through, it's going to flow through this blue wire. Oh, it's not done like that because I've just scrumpled that one right up. Sometimes they can be really difficult to get in here, and other times they just slip in really easy. We need to add a light bulb, or LED. Short leg. I've learned also, if the legs on the bulb are the same length and you can't determine, there's a flat side on the LED which denotes the negative side. So let's pop that up here somewhere. Our positive goes into that one, and then all we really need to do now, so as we don't blow it up, is put a resistor from our we're going to have to move down one because we're just up a little bit too far there. I can't quite reach it, so we'll have to, oh no, I was in the wrong one anyhow. That can go in there. Add our favourite, or my favourite, power supply. This is I have said it on another video, but this is a HW131. Very clever little bit of kit. Makes this part of the job very easy. 9-volt battery, and plug that in. Button on, and all things being equal, when we press this button, the light should light up. How about that? Isn't that? I know this is really basic stuff, I mean right at the very beginning, but I've never done any of this before, so each one of these items I'm going to have to learn how to use them and make them useful. Anyhow, the next bit I'm going to move into is going to be better use of resistors. I am just starting to get my head round this Ohm's law thing, so as you can work out what size resistor you need in a circuit. But anyhow, that's all I've got for you today. Thanks for watching if you did.